How to get free shipping on Temu, full guide 2025-2026. Do you want to shop on Temu without paying extra for shipping? Good news, Temu actually offers free shipping in many cases, but most people don't know how it works. In this video, I'll show you all the official ways to get free shipping on Temu step by step, so you can save money on every order. Welcome back. Let's start with the most important thing you should know. Temu already provides free standard shipping on most items. In many cases, there is no minimum order requirement at all. When you open a product, look below the price. If you see free shipping, that item will ship without any extra cost. Next, always check the shipping option at checkout. Temu usually selects standard shipping by default, which is free for eligible items. If you manually choose express or fast shipping, a fee may apply unless your order meets the minimum amount. Now let's talk about express shipping. If you want faster delivery, Temu sometimes offers free express shipping when your order total reaches a certain amount. This minimum can change, but it's usually shown clearly at checkout. Adding a few extra items can help you unlock it. Another easy way to get free shipping is through new user offers and promotions. If you're a new Temu user, you may automatically get free shipping along with discounts. Existing users should regularly check the homepage for banners, coupons, or limited time deals that include free shipping. Here's something many people miss. Some items ship from local warehouses. These may require a small minimum order to qualify for free shipping. If your cart is below that amount, Temu will show a shipping fee, so combining items into one order can fix this instantly. Pro tip: always add items to your cart first and review the shipping details before placing the order. Temu clearly tells you whether shipping is free or paid. There are no hidden charges. To summarize, you can get free shipping on Temu by choosing standard shipping, buying items marked free shipping, reaching the express shipping minimum, using promo offers, or combining items to meet local warehouse requirements. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more smart shopping tutorials, and comment below, have you ever paid for shipping on Temu, or do you always get it free?